Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and today is day 7 in Croatia. So I've come out on my own at the moment because Ben's stomach is feeling a little bit upset, but he's going to see how he feels and then possibly join us later for beach and sunset. So the first place I've come is, now see if I can pronounce it properly, Mojinke. I'll leave the name obviously as always down at the bottom. So we're going to give you a bit of a spin round and then send the drone up once I've seen another guy with his off, and yeah, have a little view of this place. So let's go and check it out. So that's been the bridge. We are now heading back to the car. Well, I am heading back to the car so that I can drive a little bit further down the coast, because there's a beach called Paradise Beach, and it looks stunning. So let's catch you there. So that was a very short 700-meter drive to Paradise Beach. So basically what I need to do now is find a way down there. So I'm going to have a little walk up and down and see if I can find somewhere that's not as steep to walk down, and I shall catch you down there. So I stupidly, while coming down to Paradise Beach, forgot I had my microphone adapter plugged into my phone and snapped it. So I'm going to do the best that I can for the rest of this trip until I get home and can order a new one to edit out and speak loud enough so that, you know, all of this background sound isn't interrupting way too much. But now I'm going to dry off, just had a nice little swim, and then head back up to the car because I want to go check out a couple more places before maybe booking in for a tattoo. So I shall catch you wherever I go. So like I previously said, I will try and edit out as much of the background sound as possible, but I've just got to the next location, which was only a couple of minutes down the road. And right behind me, you're able to see just here, I believe it's called the Blue Lagoon. It's just outside of Šibenik. I'll pop some coordinates down somewhere, but it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to give you a little show and then hopefully we can take off on the drone here as well. Honestly, this place was absolutely stunning, but it was only a quick stop. I'm going to go back to the car now and give Ben a message to have a see whether he feels alive enough to join us yet. So let's have a see how he is doing. So guess who feels a lot better and is in the car alive? Ben's come to join us, so we are now going to head over to the next place. I can't remember what it's called, but I will see you there in a bit. So we've just made it to the busy side of the St. Nicholas Fortress, just on the outside. So we've not done the excursion to actually go over into the fortress. This one's just from the outside. We're doing that one in a couple of days' time. I'm going to take a bit of a walk further over and have a see the views from up there.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
What have you found, Ben? Gonna have to shout, I ain't got my mic. I broke it, did it?
I found some war bunkers. Now, I've been in some of these with Em and Stu before in the UK, but that one's flooded. This one isn't. We could go and have a look.
Flood? No flood. We got no flood. That's as far as I'm gonna go.
We're moving to the beat. There's something in the air that makes the city come alive. A breeze that makes you high. We'll be up till late tonight. Love gets another chance. Pretty people holding hands, uplifted by the night. The way that it should be, can let it slip away. 'Cause this might be our final summer day. There's a heat wave.
So we're finally here at the fort with it behind me, so I think it's time to send this drone up. So let's fly in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
We're now going to head off to McDonald's to grab a bit of food and take it back to the apartment to try and basically show you what we think. I'm going to get something different that we don't normally have in England. So I shall catch you at McDonald's.
Old days, I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive.
McDonald's collected and now it's time to go and eat. How's your shake?
That's actually really nice. Do you want some?
I love it. No, I'm not a shake fan. So I got the veggie chili burger and it looks a bit like this. Very nice. Fun. We're gonna have a see what this one's like. Oh, you know.
Is that good, is it?
That's really nice. Mm.
I swear
Very,
every
very
country's McDonald's are better than the UK's.
So good.
We've both decided we feel a bit too fat and too full to go swimming, but also if I give you a spin, you can't really tell how dark it gets, but it's got really, really dark, and it's thunder and lightning. No rain yet, but I think it's on its way. So I'm going to end today's video here, so I do hope you've enjoyed, and if you have, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check Ben out, his links will be in the description as always, and yeah, keep exploring the world one footprint at a time, and until next week, adios.